The church inside the church, the Porziuncola. The Porziuncola is not hidden. It's the opposite. It was considered so important that instead of protecting it with walls, a church was built around it. Santa Maria degli Angeli was not designed as a grand basilica first. It was built for something much smaller. A structure so modest, it almost feels out of scale inside the vast space that surrounds it. This is the Porziuncola, a humble chapel made of rough stone, no decoration, no triumph, and yet it stands at the center of one of Europe's most influential spiritual stories. Here, Francis of Assisi understood who he was meant to be. Here, he gave everything up. Here, his order was born. Here, he died. This is not a famous shrine. It is an idea turned into architecture. By the 13th century, the Porziuncola was already revered and fragile. The solution was not to move it, not to rebuild it, but to construct a vast church around it, like a protective shell. A gesture almost unique in sacred architecture. Inside Santa Maria degli Angeli, the space feels monumental, wide, open, impressive. But the center is elsewhere, right there, in a small chapel that never asks for attention and receives all of it. The Porziuncola does not dominate the space. It gives the space meaning. In an age when faith was expressed through towers and cathedrals, this place delivers the opposite message. Greatness exists to protect simplicity. Not a church containing an altar, but a church built so it would never touch what truly matters. The Porziuncola is not hidden. It is preserved. And Santa Maria degli Angeli exists to remind us of something uncomfortable and timeless. Sometimes, what changes the world is so small that everything else must be built around it.